not subscribed to our channel, you can do so by clicking the subscribe button as shown above. Hello friends, welcome to Kamath Astrology. In today's video, we are going to talk of a nakshatra level transit, that is Ketu is going to move from the Vishakha nakshatra into the Swati nakshatra, and Swati nakshatra lies fully in the sign of Tula or Libra. Now Ketu is going to transit into the Swati nakshatra on 18th October 2022, and he is going to remain there till 26 June 2023. So I am talking about the mean node Ketu and not the true node. So what is the impact of this transit? Let us explore that in this video. So as you can see in this chart, the mean node Ketu enters the Swati nakshatra on 18th October 2022 at 3:34 am IST. Now when Ketu enters Swati nakshatra, you can see Sun is also present in the sign of Libra. Now first let us understand what is Swati nakshatra all about. Now Swati nakshatra is the second nakshatra in the sign of Libra, and it starts at 6 degree 40 minutes and goes on till 20 degrees in Libra. Now Swati nakshatra represents independence, freedom. Swati nakshatra is ruled by Rahu, and the deity of this nakshatra is Vayu, that is wind. So people born in the Swati nakshatra like to be independent, free flowing, just like the wind is ever blowing and independent. They do not like to be restricted in their life. They are bold and they take independent decisions. Now this nakshatra lies entirely in the sign of Libra or Tula. And what does Libra or Tula represent? It is the natural 7th house in the zodiac belt, and therefore it represents balance, harmony, business, partnerships, and diplomacy. So in short, Swati nakshatra is influenced by the planet Venus, who is the ruler of sign of Libra. It is also influenced by Rahu, who rules this nakshatra, and the deity of this nakshatra, that is Vayu or the god of wind. Now let us put Ketu in this nakshatra. What is Ketu? Ketu is a headless being. Ketu works only based on emotions. He does not have a head to think logically. Ketu also represents suppression. Ketu represents isolation. Ketu represents moving away from things. Ketu represents those things which you have already accomplished in your past life, and in this life you are not concerned very much with those things. Now because the Swati nakshatra represents taking independent decisions, bold decisions, and the sign of Libra itself represents diplomacy, harmony, balance, and partnerships. When Ketu moves here, the headless Ketu moves here, what happens is this balance, this harmony is going to get disturbed. Now you can see that the Lagna rising at the time when Ketu is moving into the Swati nakshatra is the Leo ascendant or Sima Lagna. You can see the letters LA there in the sign of Leo. And the ruler of Leo is Sun, who is present with Ketu. Now what does Sun represent? Sun represents government, Sun represents authoritative figures, Sun represents power, Sun represents ego. Wherever the Sun sits, it throws light on that house. So in short, when Ketu comes with the Sun in the sign of Libra, there is a lot of disturbance. The balance and harmony on the global front is lost. Governments cannot take proper decisions. Their efforts at diplomacy fail because Ketu is with the sun here in the Swati Nakshatra. And this is also the debilitation sign of sun, which means that the decisions taken will be influenced by ego. There will be ego clashes between the government authorities, between different governments, and any efforts at diplomacy to resolve some conflict in this time will fail. That is, the balance, the harmony which Libra represents is destroyed completely in this time. So, friends, post 18th October 2022, the Russia Ukraine conflict will escalate in a very big way. There will be lot of challenges on the global front. And Ketu, as I mentioned in an earlier video, also represents nuclear weapons, it represents radiation, and when it comes in contact with a hot planet such as Sun, who also represents government, who represents powerful figures, definitely they may take certain headless actions and use nuclear weapons in this conflict. So definitely there is a threat of nuclear weapons being used post 18th October 2022, and I see a strong possibility after 25th October 2022, because on 25th October 2022 there is a solar eclipse. So this entire period from 18th October 2022 till around 26th June 2023, that is the time for which Ketu remains in the Swati Nakshatra, is a very dangerous period. You can also see Saturn's 10th aspect falling on this combination of Sun and Ketu, and that is not a good thing. The ruler of sign of Libra is Venus, and Venus is at 29 degrees in the sign of Virgo, which means Venus will also cross over and move into Libra and come under the influence of Ketu. So the balance, the harmony across the world is completely destroyed. Governments will take wrong decisions in this time period. Diplomatic efforts to resolve any conflict will fail in this time. Wars will escalate. Also, because Mars is going retrograde around 30th October 2022, there will be an increase in the global financial crunch, a strong recession coming ahead. And this is the overall impact of Ketu moving into the Swati Nakshatra in the sign of Libra from 18th October 2022 onwards. So friends, post 18th October 2022, definitely there is going to be an increase in the wars across the world. Any diplomatic efforts will fail because the government will take headless actions in this time period. Major people in power, kings, governments will not make sensible decisions in this time period, and it is going to cause a lot of destruction on the world front. Also, because Sun represents immunity, Sun is the Karaka of our health. On the health front, also, in certain regions of the world, there will be serious challenges. So, friends, overall, Ketu moving into Swati Nakshatra is not a good thing on the global world front, and there are serious problems which will happen because of this in the times ahead. So friends, thanks a lot. If you like this video, please mark it as liked on YouTube. To know more about us, visit our website astroseva.tripod.com. For any consultations, please email us at astrosevaworld@yahoo.com and we'll be glad to assist you. So friends, bye, take care and stay safe.